Look what I got in the mail today. A package from vagabondmango. I ordered 2 keychains from her. I'll be back. I'm going to cut it open. Well, she puts them in a box and then package them, so I'll be back again. I got to unwrap them. Okay, I got them unwrapped. Aren't they adorable? Anyway, said Route 66 has her name on it. Kathy Mango. Anyway, this is the keychain. I have 2 of them. One's for my daughter. And she colored the sides and the back is done as well. So when you carry them, they'll show front and back. So, anyway, I'll put a link to how you can buy yours. It's Vagabondmango. I think I flubbed that up. My Texas talk, sorry y'all. But anyway, I'll put a description in the link. I also ordered, which I hadn't paid her yet, but I'm going to. She's designing me some butterflies. Anyway, I can't wait to get those. And anyway, she's always doing projects. She's very busy. So she had to do the Etsy store, ETSY, and I'll put a link to her store because of so many orders. It's just easier because when those are sold out, they're gone until she makes more and posts more. So it's easier for her to track. You know, I'd feel overwhelmed. I don't know how she does it. But anyway, all right, y'all. Bye. Check the description how to order. Bye, y'all.